कल हम अपना 75वां इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना रहे हैं। तो इस मौके पर अगर आपको करना हो किसी को विश, तो आप क्या क्या कहकर कर सकते हैं विश, आइए वो सीखते हैं। 75 अलग अलग तरीके, क्योंकि हम कल मना रहे हैं अपना 75वां इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आइए करते हैं शुरुआत। जॉयफुल इंडिपेंडेंस डे, जॉयफुल इंडिपेंडेंस डे, विशिंग यू अ हैप्पी फ्रीडम डे, विशिंग यू अ हैप्पी फ्रीडम डे, सेलिब्रेटिंग इंडियाज लिबरेशन, celebrating India's liberation. Cheers to Independence Day. Cheers to Independence Day. Rejoice on this Freedom Day. Rejoice on this Freedom Day. Sending Independence Day cheers. Sending Independence Day cheers. May this Independence Day bring joy. May this Independence Day bring joy. Celebrate the spirit of independence. Celebrate the spirit of independence. Happy 15th of August. Happy 15th of August. Enjoy the Independence Day festivities. Enjoy the Independence Day festivities. May your Independence Day be wonderful. May your Independence Day be wonderful. Rejoicing in our independence. Rejoicing in our independence. Happy National Liberation Day. Happy National Liberation Day. Proudly celebrating independence. Proudly celebrating independence. Have a fantastic Independence Day. Have a fantastic Independence Day. Wishing you a joyful Freedom Day. Wishing you a joyful Freedom Day. Marking India's independence with happiness. Marking India's independence with happiness. Happy Independence Jubilation. Happy Independence Jubilation. Cheers to India's freedom. Cheers to India's freedom. Celebrate India's independence joyfully. Celebrate India's independence joyfully. Embrace the spirit of Freedom Day. Embrace the spirit of Freedom Day. Celebrating India's liberty. Celebrating India's liberty. Happy Independence Anniversary. Happy Independence Anniversary. Rejoice in India's freedom. Rejoice in India's freedom. Wishing you a happy 15th August. Wishing you a happy 15th August. Celebrate the joy of independence. Celebrate the joy of independence. May your Independence Day be delightful. May your Independence Day be delightful. Embracing freedom with happiness. Embracing freedom with happiness. Happy National Freedom Day. Happy National Freedom Day. Proudly celebrating our independence. Proudly celebrating our independence. Have a wonderful Independence Day. Have a wonderful Independence Day. Wishing you a joyous Freedom Day. Wishing you a joyous Freedom Day. Celebrate India's freedom with joy. Celebrate India's freedom with joy. Sending warm wishes on Independence Day. Sending warm wishes on Independence Day. Enjoy the spirit of Freedom Day. Enjoy the spirit of Freedom Day. Rejoicing in India's liberation. Rejoicing in India's liberation. Cheers to India's independence. Cheers to India's independence. Celebrate India's freedom fervently. Celebrate India's freedom fervently. Wishing you a delightful Independence Day. Wishing you a delightful Independence Day. Marking India's liberty with joy. Marking India's liberty with joy. Embrace the spirit of Independence Day. Embrace the spirit of Independence Day. Happy 15th August Jubilation. Happy 15th August Jubilation. Celebrate the joyous occasion of freedom. Celebrate the joyous occasion of freedom. Enjoy the festivities of Independence Day. Enjoy the festivities of Independence Day. May your Independence Day be exuberant. May your Independence Day be exuberant. Happy National Liberation Celebration. Happy National Liberation Celebration. Proudly commemorating independence. Proudly commemorating independence. Wishing you a joyful Freedom Jubilee. Wishing you a joyful Freedom Jubilee. Sending heartfelt wishes on Independence Day. Sending heartfelt wishes on Independence Day. Embrace the spirit of freedom. Embrace the spirit of freedom. Cheers to India's National Freedom Day. Cheers to India's National Freedom Day. May your Independence Day be euphoric. May your Independence Day be euphoric. Celebrate the essence of independence. Celebrate the essence of independence. Enjoy the spirit of independence. Enjoy the spirit of independence. Wishing you a Merry Freedom Day. Wishing you a Merry Freedom Day. Celebrate India's sovereignty with enthusiasm. Celebrate India's sovereignty with enthusiasm. Proudly celebrating India's freedom. Proudly celebrating India's freedom. Wishing you a jubilant Freedom Day. Wishing you a jubilant Freedom Day. Celebrate India's liberty joyfully. Celebrate India's liberty joyfully. Wishing you an exuberant Independence Day. Wishing you an exuberant Independence Day. Celebrate India's triumph with joy. Celebrate India's triumph with joy. Happy Independence Festival. Happy Independence Festival. Embrace the pride of freedom. Embrace the pride of freedom. Enjoy the spirit of national liberty. Enjoy the spirit of national liberty. Wishing you a vibrant Freedom Day. Wishing you a vibrant Freedom Day. May your Independence Day shine bright. May your Independence Day shine bright. Celebrate the greatness of freedom. Celebrate the greatness of freedom. Embrace the spirit of national pride. Embrace the spirit of national pride. Celebrating India's glory with happiness. Celebrating India's glory with happiness. Wishing you an enthusiastic Freedom Day. Wishing you an enthusiastic Freedom Day. Celebrate the legacy of liberty. Celebrate the legacy of liberty. Happy Freedom Anniversary. Happy Freedom Anniversary. Embrace the essence of independence. Embrace the essence of independence. Celebrate India's progress with joy on this Independence Day. Celebrate India's progress with joy on this Independence Day. Bharat Mata ki jai. Bharat Mata ki jai.